Ever miss the door because you were in another room? Or upstairs with the TV on? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for smart, practical home tech that actually makes life easier. The Wyze Duo-Cam battery doorbell brings a fresh approach to home security with its dual-camera design, giving you both a head-to-toe view of visitors and packages. With wire-free battery operation, smart motion detection, and clear video day or night, it's built to keep an eye on your front door without complicated setup. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Wyze Duo-Cam doorbell, Wyze Wi-Fi chime, backplate, corner kit, USB-C charging cable, wire nuts, jump wire, extension wires, long screws, short screws, expansion tubes, adhesive tape, doorbell detaching pin, removable battery pack, quick start guide, technical specifications. The Wyze Duo-Cam battery doorbell features a dual camera system with a 2K front camera at 2048 by 1536 and a 1080p bottom camera, providing up to 20 frames per second during the day and 15 at night. The front camera offers a wide 132 by 100 degree field of view, while the bottom camera covers 121 by 60 degrees, giving complete head-to-toe visibility. It connects via dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Power comes from a removable 6,200 mAh lithium-ion battery, or it can run on 10 to 24-volt AC with USB-C charging. Night vision uses 6 850-nanometer IR lights for clear, low-light visibility. Audio includes two-way talk with simultaneous communication, a built-in microphone, a speaker, and a 90-decibel siren. Smart detection triggers motion alerts with an audible warning that says, "Hi, you're currently being recorded." Storage options include local recording with a micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes and cloud storage via AWS. The doorbell is IP65, rated for indoor and outdoor use, and operates reliably from -20 to 50 degrees Celsius, or -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It works with the Wyze app, supports Android 9 Plus, iOS 15 Plus, and integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Product features. It delivers stunning clarity with a 2K front camera during the day and a 1080p bottom camera at night. This ensures you can see visitors, deliveries, or any activity at your door clearly, regardless of lighting conditions. Daytime footage captures fine details, while nighttime infrared vision with 6 IR lights keeps your entryway monitored even in complete darkness. Stay connected no matter where you are. The built-in two-way audio lets you speak to visitors in real time, whether it's a delivery person or a friend. Combined with the Wi-Fi chime, you'll receive instant alerts throughout your home, ensuring you never miss an important visitor, package, or unexpected activity. Installation is simple and flexible. You can use the rechargeable 6,200 mAh battery for a completely wire-free setup, or connect it to your existing AC power for continuous operation. Built for any climate, the IP65 rated design protects against rain, snow, heat, and dust, giving you reliable performance in all weather conditions without compromising security. The doorbell detects motion instantly and sends smart notifications to your phone, so you know when someone is at your door or approaching your property. Additionally, it features a voice alert that says, "Hi, you're being recorded," helping to deter unwanted visitors or intruders while keeping your home safe and monitored at all times. App connection. Download the Wyze app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. This account will manage all your Wyze devices and notifications. Insert the rechargeable battery or connect the doorbell to hardwired power. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the doorbell until the LED indicator starts flashing, signaling that the device is ready to pair with the app. In the Wyze app, tap the plus icon and select Add Device, then choose Doorbell. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can customize settings like motion alerts, notifications, and two-way audio for seamless front door monitoring. How to install. Start by turning off the breaker that powers your existing doorbell to ensure complete safety. Next, test the doorbell to confirm that the power is off and there's no live current running through the wires. Once you've confirmed it's safe, carefully remove the existing doorbell from the wall and disconnect any wiring, clearing the space for the new installation. Select a suitable spot near your door, ideally at chest height for optimal detection. Attach the included mounting plate or bracket to a flat surface using the provided screws and anchors. For smooth walls, you can use the 3M adhesive included. If needed, use the horizontal or vertical mounting wedges to adjust the viewing angle so the doorbell captures the entryway perfectly. Once the bracket is secure, hook the doorbell onto the plate and lock it in place to ensure it stays firmly attached. Decide how you want to power your doorbell. In wire-free mode, the built-in rechargeable battery provides 8 months of usage on a single charge. If you prefer continuous monitoring, connect the existing doorbell wires to the terminals on the back of the unit and tighten the screws. Hard wiring ensures 24/7 operation, giving you uninterrupted coverage and reliable performance. After mounting and powering the doorbell, test it to make sure everything is working properly. Press the doorbell button to confirm it triggers the indoor chime. Check that the doorbell feels secure and does not wobble, and adjust the angle with the mounting wedges if necessary. With these steps completed, your doorbell is ready to deliver full coverage of your entryway and monitor visitors, packages, and deliveries reliably. How to charge. To charge the Wyze doorbell, carefully remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket to access the charging port. Connect the included USB cable to a power source such as a wall adapter, power bank, or computer, and plug it into the doorbell. The LED indicator will show the charging status. And once fully charged, you can slide the doorbell back onto the bracket and resume normal use. The built-in 6,200 mAh battery provides long-lasting power for 6 months on a single charge. Safety tips. Avoid extreme weather. Turn off the power before setup. Use recommended power only. Keep receivers dry and ventilated. Clean gently and regularly. Test the doorbell periodically. Product comparison. The Wyze DuoCam features a lightweight plastic body with a resin lens designed for durability and easy outdoor use. The Arlo Video Doorbell has a more premium polycarbonate body with a metal faceplate, offering a sturdier, higher-end feel. Wyze DuoCam offers a dual camera system with a 2K front camera and 1080p bottom camera, giving full head-to-toe coverage. The Arlo Video Doorbell has a single 1536p or 2K HDR camera, focused on upper body detection, with high dynamic range for improved color and detail. Wyze DuoCam, runs on a removable 6,200 mAh lithium-ion battery, or can be hardwired for continuous use, with micro SD and cloud storage options. Arlo video doorbells typically require wired power or proprietary battery packs, and support cloud storage with local storage depending on the Arlo Smart Plan or base station. Pros and cons. The Wyze Duo Cam battery doorbell features a dual camera system with a 2K front camera and a 1080p bottom camera, providing full head-to-toe coverage of visitors and deliveries. It offers flexible power options with a removable battery or AC wiring, and comes with smart motion alerts and voice deterrents to enhance home security. The doorbell also supports two-way audio, local micro SD and cloud storage, infrared night vision, and is fully weatherproof for reliable outdoor use in all conditions. On the downside, its plastic build feels less premium than metal alternatives. Battery life can vary depending on activity, and some advanced app features may require a paid cloud plan. Overall, it combines practical features and affordability, making it a solid choice for monitoring your front door. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.